The Coach brand holds a special place in my heart because my first designer bag was from Coach years and years and years ago. I think I got it like early college, maybe like freshman or sophomore year. It started my love for designer bags, and of course since then I have moved into some like more luxury designer bags, but still Coach has always held a special place in my heart. So I'm super happy that I have two new bags, the first two bags I picked up from Coach in years and years, to share with you guys today. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up and hearing my initial thoughts on them, then just keep watching. Before we get into the bags, let me quickly introduce myself for those of you who may be new here. My name is Ayesha. I make videos about fragrance, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. If those are things that you are into, then please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey y'all, thanks again for tuning in. Thanks for the support, and please make sure you thumbs up this video right now. So the first bag I actually ordered from Coach Outlet, and I already opened it, but I have not like used it. I just opened it and took off the wrapper. But this one came first, so I couldn't resist opening it. This is the Coach Klare. So I came across this bag on, I believe I was scrolling through Instagram and it came up as an ad for me, and I immediately loved the look of it. So I went to Coach's website, their outlet online, and I found the bag and I liked the price, and I thought about it, put it in my cart, waited a few days, and finally pulled the trigger on it. I paid, I believe, $170 for this bag. The price tag on here says comparable value is $428, but y'all know it's the outlet, so, you know, take those prices with a grain of salt. The other bag I'll show you is actually from the boutique, but this one is from the outlet, so this is an all leather bag. I'm not sure what type of leather it is, but it is all leather. And as you can see, it is like an envelope flap bag. It has quilting here, vertical quilting, that really just caught my attention. I believe this bag also comes in black and like a lighter like cream color. So the hardware on here is gold, and I like the gold on here because it's not super shiny. It's more of an antique gold, which I like. So you can see that, and it comes with the tag. This one is gold. It's covered in plastic right now, so it looks a bit more shiny than the other hardware, but I think it's the same. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I really like the details of the hardware. I feel like they did a good job with the hardware on this bag. And then the logo is just like the regular Coach logo, and I like that it's not too big. I feel like it just helps the bag look a little bit more expensive. So let's open this baby up. Oh, let me show you the strap. So the strap can be worn long like that. It does have a really big metal or a really big leather piece here at the top. So that will probably be pretty comfortable. I honestly don't think it needed to be this large of a leather piece, but I'm fine with it. So when you see it's double strapped, that's what it looks like. And the back has a big slip pocket, which I'm not sure if my phone can fit into because I'm filming on my phone today. My camera battery died and I'm tired of waiting on it to charge. So here we are filming on my phone. But it looks like my phone will fit in there fine. So that's that. Now let's open it up. Ooh, I like the inside. It is, I believe it's fabric, but it kind of feels like suede, but I feel like this is a microfiber lining. And then it has a pocket here, a zip pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket there. So this is like an accordion style opening. So that is really nice. To me, this reminds me of the YSL Sunset bag, which I've seen and I've liked for years and years, but I've heard that it's really heavy and that the chain is really heavy and it's uncomfortable and it's expensive. So I've never seen that one in person. I've only seen it online, so I've never pulled the trigger on that one. But I do like that I kind of get the same look for a lot less in this bag. So in my last handbag reveal, I did show you guys what fit in the bag, and I know a lot of you guys like that. But because I have two bags to share with you guys today, I don't want to prolong the time. So if you want to know more about these bags, let me know and I'll do a review on each one of these bags, like after I've had a chance to use them, or even like a what's in my bag of them. So make sure you let me know that down below. So there will be no what fits in it on this particular video, but I will show you some mod shots. All right, so the first way to wear this bag is on the shoulder. So this is what it looks like on my shoulder. Really cute, really comfortable. I think it's a good size. It doesn't look too small on the shoulder like that. So here's what it looks like on a long strap. And I actually would wear it like this. I'm not the biggest fan of wearing straps on a long strap, but it's not bad on this bag. It's a little low for me. I am about 5'4", just under 5'4", so I'm not tall. And then let me show you crossbody. All right, so here it is crossbody, and I feel like it hits me at the perfect height for what I prefer, crossbody. So I really like it crossbody. It's not heavy. The chain is pretty light. And then this big leather piece prevents it from like hurting your shoulder. I can't stand a chain bag that is super heavy, that hurts my shoulder, because then I can't carry it for a long time. So this is what it looks like on. For a quick size comparison, I will show you this pochette Matisse. This is fake, y'all. I did not buy it knowing it was fake. I actually got scammed. So now I kind of just use it as a prop. I don't carry it because I feel more comfortable carrying it because I know it's fake. But I have it still. So this is what we're going to use for a size comparison. It is the size of a pochette Matisse, but I didn't feel like running upstairs and getting my real one. So this one's already downstairs. So here we are. So I just want to show you a side by side to give you an idea of the size. I know a lot of people have this bag and love it, or have seen it. So yeah. So once again, this is the Coach Klare. I'm really happy with it so far. I think it looks expensive, way more than what it costs. It feels like really good quality leather. And Coach is known for their leathers, y'all. So I'm not concerned about the leather on this bag. I am a bit concerned about color transfer just because of the lightness of the color. So I may spray this bag. I haven't quite decided on it yet, but I may spray it with some sort of leather protectant. We'll see. But so far, I'm super excited to have this bag. I cannot wait to actually put some stuff in it and carry it. So the next bag is still actually in its box. I just got it in the mail yesterday. So I did not open it. So let's do that now. So this one came from the Coach Boutique. So it's in the big Coach box. This thing is huge. And then it comes with the paper. And it actually comes in this really nice box here. So that's really nice. Came with this little card about a thank you card. And then, oh, I forgot I wrote myself a little note here. So that's what this is. We're gonna keep that to ourselves, but. So let's open the box. All right, so it's wrapped in there. Oh, guys, oh, look at this bag. Isn't this gorgeous? Isn't this gorgeous? I knew it was gonna be gorgeous because obviously I saw it online, but it lives up to my expectations in person. The leather looks so nice, y'all. It looks so, so good. The leather feels extraordinary on this. So yeah, this is the Coach Parker, and I believe it's the one with rivets. I think that's what they call it, Coach Parker with rivets. I will definitely leave the link and the name down below. I picked it up in a red, but it also comes in a beautiful black on black. It's so nice. I didn't feel like I needed that one. I really like that one, but I felt like that was too similar to my YSL puffer with the black on black hardware. So I didn't get that color. But I do not have a red bag in this size. I only have my Gucci Soho Disco, which is a lot more casual. So I felt like this color really fit into my wardrobe better, you know, based on what I already own. So this is it. It is gorgeous. So it has this gunmetal color hardware. I don't know if it's gunmetal or black, but I think, yeah, it's gunmetal. So it's gunmetal hardware, and it has a matte finish to it, which makes it look really nice and expensive. So this is a turn lock, but we'll get into that in a second. In the back, it does have a pocket, which I really like. and it definitely feels big enough for my cell phone, so I like that. The chains are wrapped, or the chains have leather running through them, similar to a Chanel strap. I don't own any Chanel bags, so I can't compare them, but we all know what Chanel chains look like, right? So if you're watching this channel, I'm sure you know what a Chanel chain looks like. But I feel like this is a very Chanel looking bag. Like I said, I don't have any Chanels, but I just feel like it gives me a Chanel vibe. Again, it has the linear quilting, as they call it, the vertical quilting, which looks really nice. And then the rivets just add something special to it. I love it. The little metal little dots, pretty much. So one thing I would be slightly concerned about as far as wear and tear goes is these little rivets. I hope they're in there good so that they don't like start falling out over time. If any of y'all own this bag, let me know what y'all know about it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Of course, the chain can be long or short, but we'll see that in the mod shots as well. So let's go ahead and open up the bag. And so it just turns there, and then you lift it up and you have all this paper. So let me pull the paper out and I'll show y'all in a second. Okay, so again, the inside looks like the same interior as the Klare. It's a different color, but it feels the same. So I believe it's like a micro fiber or micro suede or whatever. It's a big pocket here. You have a middle zip pocket and then another pocket in the back, and also a small slip pocket. So the slip pocket in the back is big enough to fit a regular size cell phone. I'm not sure about like the max sizes, but I don't have that to even play around with. But you guys, this looks really, really nice, y'all. Really nice. Again, the detail on the hardware is just impeccable. So yeah, I'm super excited, y'all. I am super excited about this bag. This is really pretty. And I love the color. It is a red, but it's like a deeper red without being burgundy. It's veering towards burgundy, but it's not. I really like the red. I really, really like this. Sometimes I feel like it's kind of hard to find the correct red, like the one that you're wanting. But I feel like this one looks how I was hoping. Better than I was hoping, honestly. So really, really like this. I think this looks really chic. So let's get into the mod. Oh, before we get to the mod shots, let me do the little size comparison with my Pochette Matisse. So here's Pochette Matisse and the Coach Parker. So pretty similar in size. Basically look the same size. The Coach Parker does look to be a bit wider. But other than that, they look about the same size. Okay, so this is the first way to wear it, just on the shoulder. Let me switch y'all. So I do really like it like this. I think the shape makes it the way that it's, you know, smaller here and then comes out wider. I believe that makes it a lot more comfortable to wear here so that it's not like all up in your armpit. But I really like this on the shoulder like that. More than likely, this is how I wear this bag for the most part. This is how it looks on the long strap. And again, I don't typically like to wear my bags like this, but just wanted to share it with y'all. I probably will not wear it like this, but I think it does look, it looks good. It doesn't look too long or anything. Yeah, so I do like it, but I probably won't wear it like this just because it's not as comfortable for me. All right, and here's this bag crossbody, and I really, really like it. The chain is not too heavy, thankfully. It does not have that leather piece at the top, but I guess because the leather is entwined, maybe that's why it doesn't feel as heavy. I'm not sure, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. This bag is empty, so take that with a grain of salt, but right now it feels really good. I like the way it hits me crossbody, makes it a bit more casual. Again, I still think my favorite way to wear it is short on my shoulder. But I do really like the crossbody option. So yeah, love this bag. So overall, I am really impressed with this Coach Parker, as I'm sure you guys can tell. I cannot wait to wear this. And I'm not going, I don't know. If I go somewhere today, I'm going to wear this. I'm not sure if I'm going to go anywhere before it's time to pick my kids up from school. But if I do decide to make a run out, I am definitely going to wear this bag because it matches what I'm wearing today too. So super excited about this. So those are my 2 new bags from Coach. I am super excited to actually use these, both of them, honestly. I know I probably seem more excited about this one, and honestly I am. If I had to pick between the 2, I like this one better. But I do really like the Coach Klare as well. And yeah, I really think these are good bags for the money. They feel really nice. Like, I know I don't own any Chanel bags, but I do own quite a few other luxury bags, and these feel like luxury bags, y'all. They feel like luxury bags, but they don't have the price tag that you would get from, say, YSL, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, any of those higher end companies. But I'm super excited to try these out, and I hope this like reignites my love for Coach again. That would be nice. It's a cheaper habit than a Louis Vuitton habit. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you want to know more about the bags in a future video. I can do like an update, or I can wait a long time and do a review, or I can just kind of do like a what's in my bag for both of them. Let me know what you guys would prefer. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you own either of the bags mentioned, please let us know what you think of them down below. I think that'd be really helpful to everybody watching. I will also leave links to these. Both were good price, and I think they're worth the money. So I'll leave links to them down below. Just to put in there, most of my links are affiliate links. Not all of them, but most of them are. That does not like sway my impression of any of the items. Honestly, it just really helps me continue making content for you guys. So I just wanted to put that out there because I just felt like I needed to say that. So thank you guys for using my links, because like I said, that does help me continue to be able to make content for you guys. And I love making videos. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you thumbs up this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.